Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use or how to implement the for loop within the R programming language. So how we can implement this? First you need to write for, then you can place two brackets, two round brackets. Okay, this is the syntax for loop. Okay, so then we have to write the variable, any random variable. Okay, you are not supposed to write like any special thing. You can write just a, b, x or anything. A in 1 colon 20. Okay, so this is our statement of the for loop, and these are the body brackets of the for loop. This is the starting of the body and this is the end of the body of the for. 1 colon 20 means that first a will become 1, then a will become 2, and then 3, and 4, 5, 6 and up to 20. Okay, first a will become 1 and control moves to the body of the for loop, and it will get printed with the help of this print statement. Then after it, again a will be incremented by 1. Okay, that is 1 becomes 2 and 2 becomes then 3. Okay, so this is all about that. Okay, and then it will get printed. Okay, so now you can see that on console we got all the values up to 20. Okay, so in this way we can do it. Okay, now one more thing, that if we want that we execute one more for loop, so we will go for one list data type, like we can write any variable, then assignment operator, and then we need to write list. Okay, and why we used to write list? Because list is a type of data type. Okay, it is a type of data type which is just like the array of integer. It can contain multiple data types. Okay, list contains like integers, it even contain like integers, it even contain like some string or like this. Okay, here you can see that it has 3 integers and one character string. Okay, it is list. And then this is the assignment operator, less than or dash sign. It will take all this data and put it inside the R. Okay, then we will write for like a T in R. Okay, so T will go all along the R. Okay, so what is the length of the R? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 elements in R, so its length is 4. Okay, so we will write print T, and it will print all the elements. Okay, one by one. Okay, so we can go run, and then we can see, and now it prints that is 12, Kate 124 and 245. So in this way you can use the for loop within the R programming language. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.